Hi, first grade. Last unit, we learned an addition strategy called the Easy 10 slide. Do you remember learning that addition strategy? Yeah, the Easy 10 slide is a great addition strategy that we can use to solve some addition problems. The Easy 10 slide is when we add any one-digit number to the number 10. Let me refresh your memory about the Easy 10 slide. If I'm starting with the number 10, I know that I have a 1 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. Say I'm adding 10 plus 3. When I add 1, 2, 3, I know I have a 0 in the tens place and I have a 3 in the ones place. It goes from 10 to 3 more. Now with the Easy 10 slide, all you do is you take the ones place of the number that you're adding and you slide it up to the ones place that the 0 is in. This 0 now changes to a 3. This 3 slides up into its place. So now 10 plus 3 equals 13. We learned the Easy 10 slide last unit. But guess what? You can also use the Easy 20 slide. Now, why do you think it's called the Easy 20 slide instead of the Easy 10 slide? When it was the Easy 10 slide, we were adding a one-digit number to the number 10. For the Easy 20 slide, we're adding a one-digit number to the number 20. So if I'm starting with the number 20, I know I have a 2 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. If I want to add 3 to 20, 1, 2, 3, I know when I'm adding 3, I have a 0 in the tens and a 3 in the ones. Just like the Easy 10 slide, I do the same thing for the Easy 20 slide. I'm going to take this 3 ones and I'm going to slide them up to my 0. My 0 turns into a 3. It takes the place of the 0 because it slides up to it. So 20 plus 3 equals 23. Let's try another example, and I want you guys to help me. Okay. 20 plus, I know I'm starting with 20, and if I'm starting with 20, I have a 2 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. I don't have any ones cubes. If I'm going to add the number 7 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I'm adding 7, I know that 7 is a 0 in the tens, and there's 7 ones cubes. For my Easy 20 slide, I look at these 7 ones, and I'm going to slide them up. This was a 0. But when I slide up my 7, it takes the place of my 0. So 20 plus 7 is what? 27. Great job. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, for this one, I want you guys to get 2 things for me. I want you to pause the video and get 1 piece of paper and a pencil. 2 things. Pause the video and then push play when you're ready to move on. Okay, you should have 1 piece of paper and 1 pencil with you. When you have your materials, I want you to write this problem on your paper, kind of towards the top like mine is. 20 plus 5. After you have your problem written down at on your paper, I want you to draw a line across your paper right underneath the addition problem, just like mine. Your line should be almost halfway down your paper, a little bit above it, because we still need room underneath to write. After you draw your line, I want you to find the middle of your horizontal line, and I want you to draw a line down vertical, up and down. So it makes a capital T. See? Okay, pause the video if you need more time. After your paper looks like mine, over here, we're gonna draw 20 because that's the number we're starting with, but we're gonna draw in base tens, just like you saw in my previous examples. So I know that for a tens block, I'm going to draw a line, but I know that I need 20. So how many do you think I need to draw? You're so right, I need to draw 2 lines. Great job. Okay, we're gonna start with 20. Now I want you to go to this side and I want you to draw 2 lines like this. Under the first one, you're gonna write tens, because this is the tens place, and under this one, you're gonna write ones. Tens and ones. Underneath those lines, you're gonna draw 2 more. What do you think you're gonna write under this line? Yeah, you're gonna write tens and ones. Pause the video if you need more time to make your paper look like mine. Okay, so we start with 20 and we have drawn our representation of 20 in base 10 blocks. Now we need to write 20 on our place value lines. When I have 20 of something, how many tens do I have for the number 20? That's right, I have 2. And how many ones do I have in the number 20? That's right, 0. 2 in the tens, 0 in the ones. So I'm starting with 20, and I'm gonna add 5. So now I need you to come over here and draw 5 ones cubes. 3, 4, 5. Okay, I added 5 ones cubes. So over here, I know that means I have 0 in the tens, and there's 5 ones. Okay, I'm adding 20 plus 5. I need to do my easy 20 slide. We're gonna take our 5 ones and we're gonna slide them up. Can everybody do that? Slide it up. Now my 0 is no longer a 0. It changes to what number? That's right, it changes to a 5 because I was sliding my 5 up. So what does 20 plus 5 equal? That's right, 25. Today we learned that we can use our easy 10 slide with the number 20 as well. We can use the easy 20 slide to solve addition problems anytime we're adding a 1-digit number to the number 20. All we do is take the ones place of the 1-digit number that we are adding on and we slide it up to replace our 0 in the number 20. The tens place still stays the same because we're not adding any tens place with our 1-digit number. The tens place will always stay as a 2 when we're doing the easy 20 slide, but our ones place is what changes. Today you're going to be practicing the easy 20 slide. Bye, mathematicians. I'm so proud of you.